Oh no! That one looks deep. Oh, it is! Yes, Boz.
Right?
Go on. Oh. Whew. Storm Amy. She scores again. Gotta let Bozza go first.
Why are you crossing?
I don't know. It's hard, isn't it? Oh, Bozza! He's left me. Bloody dropped me upstream as a lad. Ah. Oh. That is so slippy. Bloody hell! I don't think sitting down's for me. Ah!
Just was getting plenty of grip, I'll have a go at that.
Whoa!
It's not bad over there.
I think we went that way last time.
Yeah, I know, but that was better, wasn't it?
Go on then. Oh! Hell! Ah!
Oh, that was lovely. You alright?
Yeah, my leg could have got brought then. Oh! I was right on the top of it. Fucking, my leg went down there, look. That was dangerous. Front's gone down the hole. Eh? Oh. Yes, Bozza! Hey, this is living. Tap, tap.
I'm going to try and turn it at the same time.
Oh, tap, turn, tap. I love it. Taking some time, this Bozza. This bit will be edited, but this has took over 2 minutes of mental capacity to get to this stage. Oh, it's lovely! Till it wasn't. No, he did that well. That was good. Oh, look at the Mitch Medium Enduro with some savageness on it. Where would you get one of them from, Boz?
Huh?
Where would you get a Mitch Medium from?
That's the Enduro tyres, isn't it?
Is that where you got yours from?
Oh, I mean the best.
Get your tyres at endurotires.com. Bosh. Woo! Oh, how did I end up in this position? Oh, brilliant. Done that good, haven't you, Boz?
Easy.
He has done that good, to be fair. Or maybe I just made it look hard.
I vlogged it, didn't I?
I mean, it's not going to do it justice on camera, but you ain't getting up this. Go on, lad! I didn't realise how in the firing line I was going to be. Oh well, that was a stretch. Nailed on switchback over a sheer vertical drop. This is sketch.
Oh, don't too steep that. Jesus. I'll go down there if I do that.
Couldn't you see it with your own eyes? Did you have to have the bike on there to feel it?
Real quick, I'll be able to get round it.
He's absolutely bricked it, as lad. Oh! Bloody hell. There's the waterfall. It's actually undercut real bad here, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
It's like this could break off at any point. Does it look good? Oh, that is slippy. Beautiful though. You ain't going over bars on that. It'll just, I can tell from here it'll just roll. Oh, there's the line. That right hand side, look. If we get these branches out where, gubbins will get up that.
Yeah, gubbins will, yeah.
That's the line. Straight up. It's even got a little kicker bit there. Is that the height of me? I'm going to stand next to it. I bet I'm taller than that waterfall. We need these branches out where. No, I'm not.
You're already here.
I'm not, am I?
Oh,
And I'm on the ledge. The waterfall is taller than I am. No.
Right.
You get on it.
No.
It won't snap.
Yeah.
Right, come on then. Send it. Yeah, I can see you're not going to take off very well. Power! Oh my god! Are you alright? It looked like you got chinned. Wow. That was impressive. Oh, brilliant. Lovely. Oh, bloody hell, Bozza. Bozza. Right, where's my bike? Bozza, put a line in there for me, so over there. Yes, Bozza! Oh, lovely!
That was a bump there or no?
Are you on the path?
What's that stump there?
Here's the path. Path's here, Boz. Yes. Bloody brilliant, that lad. That was terrible. Yes, Boz. Oh. So close! Go on, Boz, sit on it! Let's track.
I don't go up and down it.
Let's have a raster there and we'll come back. Oh, they haven't graded it very well. Can't believe what they've done. Full motocross track. Oh! Look at them shrooms. Yeah, Stokesy, you'd have a chew on them, wouldn't you, lad? Beautiful. Some good ground in here. Look at these rocks, Boz. We could have a trial section here. Go! Oh! He's absolutely drenched me. Wow. Oh, the roost! This new motocross track is epic! Stokesy, you're gonna love this! Woo! Yes, Boz! Where's he off? Fucking hell! Woo! Bloody hell, Bozza! Oh, the airstreams are working a treat today. Couple with a Mitch medium. Just that extra air coming across your face, but protecting my eyes. It's mega. Hey? Yeah, you can look. Hey, I'm just don't know if I'll stop in time for the next bit. Oh! Just. Oh, well done. Woo! That was serious. Didn't go too bad. Oh shit! Oh no! Let me out of the way. You absolutely got me. Fuck. Oh. Oh, the wind. I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but it's deafening. Oh, he launched that. Whoa! God, the roost is bad. I need to drop back. Oh, that's lovely! Straight into the roost. Wow, that looks sick. Oh no, back off. Whoa! Bit of a tank slapper. Second gear, lad, second gear, load her up at bottom, lad, aye. Start off steady, feed her in, feed her in. Winding it on. Bloody go on, son! That was wild! Bozza's in for take 2 or 3 maybe. Come on, lad, kick that leg out. Wow. Go on, keep it in! Oh hell! We need to keep it in the power band though. That got wild. Oh no, goggles. Oh. I think I needed to drop to second gear at top. I kept it in third though. Just didn't quite work out. Whoa! He's up! Bozza's up!
I missed the gear stick when I jumped here.
That was cool. Should just be able to sit on that in first. That was some clutch work. Ah! That one. That was terrible. Wow, that's my boot strap. Look at that. Oh no. See if this works then. Look at that for a bent lever.
Oh dear.
And I found my boot strap in my bike.
You look, yeah, now I look at here.
Yeah?
That's the pivot there.
Yeah.
I like these up on angle.
Yes, balls! Do I get it from here? That's the question. You!
Portugal where Stokesy dropped his.
Yeah, I know. Quick before battery runs out. Right, that's going to do it for this ride, lads. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Thanks for Enduro Tyres for the tyres, etc. See you on the next one. Bosh.